Hello everybody, welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. In today's video, we'll learn how we can easily grow organic cucumbers at home from seeds. So it is a video which shows you the process from the beginning till the end. So please stay tuned to my channel and watch this video till the end. For any queries or suggestions, please feel free to comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Whimsy Crafter. So to begin with, I have taken some good quality cucumber heirloom seeds, some coco peat, and some regular soil. I also have with me two plastic glasses with two holes drilled at the bottom of them. So I'll first take out the seeds. These seeds are from an heirloom variety. I have got it from the United States and they are of a very good quality variety of cucumber known as Boston pickling cucumber. You can take any variety of cucumber seeds for that matter. So first I'll mix the coco peat and soil in equal ratio. I'm not going by strict measurements over here, just the measure of the eye. So I'll quickly mix them and I'll get rid of any lumps that may be there in the mixture. Next I'll fill the two plastic glasses with this particular mixture. What this mixture does is it helps to germinate the seeds faster by holding moisture for longer periods of time, and it does not allow the media to dry out completely. Okay, cucumbers can be sown all the year round, and I sowed this in the month of December. So I am just drenching the media first before putting the seed in, and you see how well the media absorbs water. Okay, so in a matter of a few minutes, the media absorbs water, not minutes, rather seconds. Okay, you can see the media is wet right till the base of the glass. So it is really important that the media is well draining. Otherwise, waterlogging in the media will lead to the rotting of the seeds. Okay, so the media is drenched properly. As you can see, the water has drained out from the drainage hole. Now is the time that I will sow the seeds. So I'll take the cucumber seeds like this and I'll sow it vertically. I'll sow about 3 seeds in one glass and 2 seeds in another glass. Okay, and later on in the video you will see that I have planted some other seeds also in the same container off camera. So those seeds will be emerging. So after I have sowed the seeds, I will place them at a location which receives direct morning sunlight till about 10 a.m. That much is enough. I am not covering this with a cling wrap because cucumber seeds are very easy to germinate. So this is the result after 3 days. You see the media is so moisture retentive that it has pushed the seeds to germinate. This is after around 10 days. The seeds are growing very fast and you can see the tiny seedlings of lettuce also growing in this media. I had sown them off camera and they are already germinating. Alright. So this is the result after 2 weeks. Okay, the seedlings have grown quite big and you can see that the lettuce seedlings are also growing side by side. This glass has some pickling chili seedlings that I had sown and they have also grown. Actually, cucumbers do not really like to be transplanted a lot. So I have to be extra careful so that I don't damage the roots that have formed. So if I talk about the rate of germination of the seeds, 4 seeds germinated out of 5. So it's roughly about 90% seed germination rate. So I have separated the cucumber seedling from the glass over there on the left, and here I am separating the other 3 cucumber seedlings from this particular glass without disturbing the chili seedlings that have already germinated and that are growing rather. So I'll place them back in the container, and now I will just show you the way in which I plant the cucumber seedlings always. Okay, I promised you that this will be an organic gardening method, so no use of chemical fertilizers whatsoever. First, I'll take a 12-inch pot and see what I'll be using here along with the soil. So this is plain garden soil, and the one that I showed you before is vermicompost. So I'll prepare my potting mix. Before preparing the potting mix, I will I will cover the drainage holes in the pot with stones. You remember I had made holes in this pot in one of my previous videos, so I'm using that same pot. It's a 12-inch pot and it's quite sufficient to house one cucumber seedling. So I will fill this pot halfway through with soil, and then I will add about 2 handfuls of seaweed fortified vermicompost. This is the one that I use. I got it from my local nursery store. It's not necessary to use seaweed fortified vermicompost. You can use plain good quality vermicompost or any organic manure that you find in your local gardening store. Vermicompost is the best option according to me. So I will prepare the potting mix like this. I'll mix it. And then I will take one of the healthiest seedlings out of the 4 and I'll plant it in like this. Okay, and then I'll surround the plant with the soil. Yes, this is how I'll be doing it. And I'll be surrounding the plant with the soil. I'll be leaving a gap of about an inch from the rim of the pot so that when I water this setup, the water does not spill out and the soil also does not spill out. You must be knowing already that cucumber plants are trailing plants, so they definitely need to be staked, okay? This plant has not started trailing yet, so I have just provided a stick to support the plant. Once the potting is done, I will drench the plant and the soil lightly with water, and I'll keep this setup in shade for at least 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, you see the plant has started flowering and it has grown quite a bit. And this is the first female flower on the plant, and this is the male flower. The difference being that a small fruit is attached at the end of the female flower. I have planted the other seedlings in a similar way using a similar media, and you can see how well the plants have grown. Here is another female flower with a fruit attached to its end. Okay, so there are multiple female flowers. First, the male flowers appear, and you see how you can initiate fruiting. To initiate fruiting, I'll use a paintbrush. I'll take some pollen grain from the male flower and I'll gently touch the paintbrush with the pollen grains inside the female flower. So this is how you hand pollinate, and this is especially helpful if your area does not have enough natural pollinators. And you see the first fruit that I pollinated has started growing, and this is the second one, and oh, there's a third one also. So growing cucumbers is really easy and fun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.